Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Samira. Kindly subscribe now, like, comment. You can share my tutorials with your friends, your family members. Please ask them to watch my tutorials to the end. You can also turn on your notification bell to get notified to watch my new video. I'm not really getting the views I'm expecting and it's affecting my channel growth. Please help me to watch my tutorials to the end. That's one way you can support my channel, guys. I'm making kaftan bubu with front slit and collar today. So if this is what you are interested in, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end and let's get started now with our tutorial for today. I'm using plain fabric and Ankara to make today's tutorial. So I will go ahead now to draw a straight line and I have folded my fabric into 4 pieces because I'm cutting the front piece and the back piece together. So I'll take the width of my dress, which is 12 inch. Okay, so my neckline I'm going to go by 3 inch, then I'm bringing the depth by 7 inch. Okay, so I'll draw a line for that. So I'm bringing the back neckline by 2 inch. Okay, I will go ahead now to take the length of my dress, which is 56 inch. So I'm going to mark 56 inch for the length of my dress. So I'm going to mark it on both sides. Okay, so guys, please keep on watching this tutorial to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style that we are making today. I will slope my shoulder by 1 inch. Okay, so I'll just connect the marks together. I will measure from my shoulder to my armhole by 9 inch. Okay, so I'm using 46 inch for the bust and I'm going to also add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. So from my shoulder to my half length I'm going by 14 inch. Alright, so I'm going to also use 44 inch for the waistline and add 1 inch for my stitching allowance. So what I'll do now, I'll connect all the marks together. Okay, so guys, keep on watching for you to see the outcome of this style that we are making. It's a beautiful style and we are going to also wear it out for you guys to see the fitness of the outfit that we are making today. So now I'm cutting the neckline. Okay, so after connecting the marks, it's for us to cut the fabric out. Don't forget we are cutting the front and the back piece together. Okay, it's a lovely style that we are making today. We are going to use the Ankara fabric to design the neckline that is going to have collar, and we are going to use the Ankara fabric to do that. Okay, so keep on watching to see the outcome of the style that we are making. So guys, please support this channel by watching my tutorials down to the end. Like this particular one, please watch it down to the end. So I'm going to pull out the front neckline to cut it out. So remember, it's going to have front slits. Okay, and I'm going to use the Ankara fabric to design the collar of the neckline. All right, so this is the fabric that we are using. Is a plain material, so we are going to use the Ankara fabric to design the middle, which is going to run through the neckline. So it's going to give that collar at the neckline, and at the front we are going to slit it. So I'm going to also teach you guys how to go about it when making your own. It's a nice style that we are making today, and we are using plain black material to achieve the style that we are making today, guys. So it's a lovely style. So just keep on watching this particular tutorial down to the end so that you can see the outcome of the style, and after watching it, please try to practice it on your own so that you can make it on your own. Guys, I'm not really getting the views that I'm expecting and it's affecting my channel growth. Please help me to watch my tutorials down to the end, guys. That's another way for you to support this channel to grow. I really want this channel to grow this year, and we can do that together by watching this particular tutorial down to the end to support this channel to grow. Okay, so please keep on watching to see the outcome of the style that we are making today. Don't forget, we are making Bubu kaftan dress that is going to have front slits and also going to have collar. So before attaching the collar, we are going to slit it. We are going to open it into two. So that's how to go about it before attaching your ankara on it. I'm slitting the front now. So this is how to go about it when making your own. You can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew this particular style that we are making today. Is a nice style that we are making, and you can wear it out to your Owambe party or any important occasion of your choice. You can wear it there. It's a very unique style, very beautiful. So we are going to use the ankara fabric to attach on the collar of the neck of the dress that we are making, and this is the ankara fabric that I'm going to use today in the front. So I'm using 3" for the width. Okay, so I'm going to run a stitch on it, and I'm going to slit it into two because it's going to appear at the two sides of the dress that we are making today at the middle of it. So I'm going to take it to the machine. I'll run a stitch on it. So after that, we'll now attach it to the dress that we are making today. Alright, guys, it's into two pieces, which is 1.5" for each of them, as you can see on the video. Alright, so this is how to go about it when making your own, guys. So I'm going to attach the ankara on the collar of the neck of the dress that we are making today. You can see how beautiful it is and how simple it is for you to cut and sew it on your own. So I'm going to teach you guys how to attach it on the plain fabric that we are making today. How to attach the ankara on the neckline to form the collar of the neck that we are making today. So that's the next step for us to do now. Alright, so this is how to go about it when attaching the ankara fabric to the neckline. So I've joined the front shoulder and the back shoulder together. Okay, so this is how to fix it when making your own. So I'm going to start from the bottom. Alright, so this is how to go about it. So the slit is 18". That's where I'm going to stop the sewing. Alright, you can see how simple it is for you to cut and sew on your own. You know, it's going to also have a sleeve. So that's how to stitch it on the sewing machine. So after stitching it, this is what I have now. Very beautiful and neat. So now we are going to cut the band that we are going to attach to the sleeve of our dress that we are making today. So I'm going to use 2" for the width. So after that, I'm going to iron it, stitch it, and attach it to the sleeve that we are making today. But don't forget that the sleeve is cut together. So we are just attaching the ankara fabric to the edge of the sleeve. Alright, so this is what we have after running the stitch on the dress. You can see how beautiful it is. So my kimono kaftan bubu with front slits and collar is ready for us to wear out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you understood today's tutorial and I hope you enjoyed it. Keep a date with us again, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can subscribe, share, and let us know what you think about our tutorial. Keep a date again with us. Our long video is on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Thank you so much for watching. You can check my other tutorials now.